Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about the Reddit Ads Business Manager feature. So Business Manager is a feature which helps you to manage multiple Reddit Ads accounts from one place. So let's say you are an ad agency and which is planning to manage Reddit ad accounts for your clients, then you can use the Business Manager feature. So let's have a look at this. On the platform, when you go to the left panel and you come to the bottom where we'll find business. So this is where you can go ahead and do so, where you can do multiple things. One is you can add accounts over here. So here you will be able to add the accounts. So right now there is my account added. If I want, I can add other accounts as well from here. Okay. Once you add the account, you can give a role for that as well. Okay. So that can be done here as well, whether it's an analyst, creator, administrator, access, which you can give to the account. Apart from that, if you want, here you can add the other each members as well, which can be added right here in the ad accounts. Primarily, who all will be accessing the ad account, all that can be done. Okay, profiles of, so when we start managing Reddit ads accounts for our clients, we need to also have an access to their Reddit profiles. So those can be done right here. So this particular segment is really useful when we want to work as a ad agency where we are managing multiple Reddit ads accounts for our clients. So then you can make use of this and it becomes far easier to manage multiple accounts in a much more organized manner with the help of this feature. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand how to use Business Manager from the Reddit ads account for managing multiple Reddit ads accounts. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.